BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade. We had the opportunity to look for the trade. And mostly with the best things was if we refer to lower time frame based on 15 minutes, because based on 15 minutes, we had this flat, and this is where we could look for the trade. But the only thing is after we get this move, every time my analysis, I mentioned when we have this kind of the correction, the move, we can expect the price to reverse, to change the direction. And exactly, but we didn't have the update for this, okay? And exactly this is what we get. And one more thing, even if we refer to indicator, what I have here within this move, all right, we can see the start to show the divergence. All right, even we put this one in relative to this, MACD doesn't show us, but the another one indicator to show us. That's why when we see this kind of the move, we need to know how to manage our trades. Okay, anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what's the next. And even if you refer to the daily chart, when the price was at the top, I was keep mentioning we can expect the price to drop, because we mentioned with this one can tend to more complex correction. That's why I was warning, if we wants to look for buy, we have to get the proper trade set up. And even based on forward chart, we mentioned we can look for the flat, but how deep it can be, we cannot confirm. Even right now, we cannot confirm whether this is the we can look for flat, or this is the start of the down move and the price can retest this low, because the indicators also doesn't show us anything. The only things I can say, if we get a reversal, this is what when we are more interested, we can look for buy. But if we get any correction similar to what we have here, still we can expect the price for continuation. Okay, now if we want to look for trade, we need to wait and see what we get. And even if based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. As I mentioned, if we get a reversal, and we can look for buy, but before that, I want to put this one in relative to this. We want to see what we have based on the indicators. All right, we see the divergence here, and but here the MACD doesn't show us. Okay, but still we cannot confirm with the divergence. All right, if we get a correction here, either the big similar to what we get here, mostly then we can confirm for the price to continue. And even if we get the flag, also we can expect, we can look for sell with the breakout of this low. We have to manage, but as long as the price haven't retest this low, we can expect there to get the reversal. And to look for the reversal, at least we need to get the sharp move. Like rather than that, we don't have any other option. But if there is a continuation, price broke this low, then we will have expanding, and mostly we can expect the price to retest the previous low. And what I want to see is that right now we don't have any trade setup, either for sell or buy. We have to wait and see what we get here. All right, and in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.